All right, what's going on, guys? What is going on? Good morning, good afternoon. I guess it's afternoon now already, eh? Holy smokes. Sorry, guys, I work until about 4 o'clock in the morning on Thursday, Friday, Saturdays, so I usually can't remember whether it's morning or afternoon. All right, let's have a look. How about that JASMY chart, guys? Look at that sexy boom to the upside. Look at that. Boom. Broke above the 200-day and the 100-day SMA. Just like that. Looks like we're gonna, well, we tested, we broke through resistance here at 2 cents 5.4, and then we've wicked back down now. So a lot of people are like, oh, like what if we don't close above that, that resistance level? That's not a big deal. We don't care about that right now. For right now, we don't care. Let's close above this here, right? Let's close above the 200 and the 100-day SMAs. Avoiding, you guys notice that we avoided a death cross here too, eh? If we stay above here, we've avoided a death cross, right? Because now the 100-day is going to go like this, right, as we go along here. So very nice move there as well. But as I said before, death crosses are generally lagging indicators anyway. So it's not like a precursor to anything most of the time. So, but yeah, they're very nice, guys. Very nice. So today, let's close above the 200 and the 100-day SMAs. That's what's important right now. That's what we need to focus on. Then we can retest this resistance level at 2 cents 5.4 before breaking through that and continuing to the upside, right? One step at a time, baby. Nothing goes straight up. We got to stair step it. So, all right, let's get into the chat, see what's going on. As always, guys, make sure you smash the like and subscribe to the channel. Helps us grow. Big Kev, what's up, buddy? I'm here and I'm bullish. Let's go, Rob Father. Absolutely, brother. James. Hey, Rob, what's up, brother? I joined the Patreon the other day. I'm all set, bags full and ready to run. I'm looking forward to some education and continuing to support the channel. James, you are the man, brother. It's awesome to have you as part of the Patreon, man. Just so you guys know as well, I am doing a group video coaching call on the Patreon. As soon as this live stream ends, we will be jumping over to that. So if you guys want to participate in that, if you want to be a part of our group coaching sessions, we also do one-on-ones, then get over to the Patreon before this stream ends, because I will be doing it immediately after. We're going to start doing that on a daily basis. Immediately after the live stream, we're going to jump over to group video coaching sessions over on the Patreon immediately after. So make sure you guys are there for that. Tara, yo, what's up, man? William, what's up, buddy? Good to see you again, man. Good to see you. KD3, as Rob says, JASMY's looking juicy. Absolutely. Juicy JASMY, baby. You'll love to see it. All right, so let's get into some of the news across the market here, guys. Just bear with me for a second here. All right, so yes, let's get into the news across the market. Let's see what's going on out there. So we got some news from Hara here. Check this out. So Hara says, we at Junction and Compute Labs have deepened our understanding of each other through a collaboration on WebEx, and as a result of many in-depth discussions, we have found a good direction for future partnership. Please look forward to a future announcement. So we have a partnership coming up, Hara says, with Compute Labs, which I believe is a market maker. So you know how we completed our contract with DWF Labs in July, I think, the end of July. And so now we're looking for a new market maker, guys. And it looks like we may have found one in Compute Labs. So very cool. Compute Labs says, from WebEx Asia to KBW Official and Token 2049, Compute Labs just had an innovation-packed month, connecting with industry leaders and partners to discuss the future of compute as an asset class and explore how AI-Fi is creating a $0 trillion market by tokenizing compute assets. looking forward to the announcement here about the partnership between Compute Labs and JASMY Junction, guys. Very, very bullish. See, I told you guys, I always say, whenever I do these announcements and I say, guys, Hara's at Token 2049 or Hara's at this conference, this seminar, right? He always comes out of these things with new announcements, new partnerships, new collaborations, right? The man is everywhere, right? No one, I would dare to challenge anybody, okay, to show me another crypto project that has worked as hard as JASMY and Junction to develop through this bear market. No one has. No one has. Hara has been across this globe multiple times over, from ETH Denver to Vietnam to freaking South Korea, back to Japan, China, Hong Kong, all over the globe, you guys, the EU. This man has been working harder than anyone in crypto, in my opinion. WF Capital, what's up, man? Good to see you, brother. Good to see you. So shout out to Hara on that, guys. Let's go check out the bubbles. What's going on in the market? What a fantastic day so far, eh, guys? Look at this. Bitcoin's holding above 65.6. Another daily close above 65 will be absolutely bullish, guys. Absolutely bullish. JASMY up 5.8%. Up 18.7% on the week. Crazy. 25.8 on the month. And yet there's still people whining out there. Crazy. Look at some of the returns, guys, on the daily time frame. NXRA 25.9%, Knots up 22, Aerodrome, Velodrome. Look at this. Let's look at the weekly. Boom. Look at this week, guys. All of your portfolios right now should be looking nice and juicy. GFAL, SUI, Ondo, Naka, everything is up. LCX, NEAR, absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous, guys. Turbo's up 80% on the month, guys. Are you kidding me? Wagami Games. We were talking. I think we were talking on the Patreon last month about Wagami Games, saying it was a good entry point. Look, it's up 156% since then. Absolutely amazing, guys. That's why you want to be over on the Patreon, guys. That's why you want to be in. Get in where you fit in. Links in the description. All right, check this out. 13.2 billion. Carter Fitzgerald, CEO, says Bitcoin should be treated like gold and like oil.
Let me just finish this conversation on regulation and your new exchange. Do you expect similar regulations for commodities and other things that are traded on your new exchange as we see for equities?
I think it's going to go a little slower.
Okay.
But eventually, commodities and equities will kind of sort of merge over a long period of time, over maybe 20 years. I mean, let's face it, they don't even know how to do crypto and digital at all.
Yeah,
right? They have no idea. They still don't understand how important it is to actually get it right. It's just platitudes and being on TV. They have no idea what they're talking about. They have no idea. Bitcoin is a commodity. It should be treated like gold and like oil. It's just a commodity. Other digital currencies, different. Other digital assets, different. But Bitcoin is a commodity. But why can't they understand it? It just doesn't make sense to me.
Let me just...
Shots at Gary Gensler. Take one on the chin, Gare Bear. All right, what else do we got? Meta Lawman, my take on the SEC hearing. Says, I have to say Gary Gensler looked and sounded like a beaten man to me. Patrick McHenry set it up perfectly. It was absolutely humiliating for Gensler to have to sit there and listen to his colleagues rip him for valid reasons from 3 feet away. That is punishing. That is a punishing experience for any leader of any organization. Finally, it just keeps getting clearer that young Rep. Richie from the Bronx is a super party. Skipped ahead, or got a little choppy there for a second. It is our good fortune that he happens to be a strong advocate for digital asset innovation. I agree. Gary getting humiliated on the big stage, that was absolutely priceless, guys. You love seeing stuff like that. Couldn't have happened to a nicer guy, right? And speaking of Gary Gensler getting humiliated, check this out.
Chairman Gensler, part of the SEC's mission is to protect investors. Does the SEC review pre-IPO documents?
I think you said pre-IPO documents. You're supposed to, if you're going to take a company public, the staff of the SEC does review those to see that they're in compliance.
Correct. Is Coinbase a publicly traded company?
I'm sorry?
Is Coinbase publicly traded?
Yes.
All right. So the SEC allowed pension funds and retail investors to invest in a company, Coinbase, that you apparently, from prior remarks, believe was engaging in illegal activity. All of their activities were laid out in their public filings in the S1 prior to the IPO. You did say that you believe Coinbase is selling unregistered securities, correct?
Again, I'm not going to speak to anyone.
No, but you said that they're selling unregistered securities. This is your public comments.
I think, with all respect, I look forward to you finding that, because I'm trying to be very careful. I'm not speaking
we'll help
about
refresh your
any one
memory.
Company.
In the Kim Kardashian settlement, the SEC stated that Ethereum Max is a security. She reached a settlement for promoting an unregistered security. The unregistered security is Ethereum Max. Have you charged the issuers of Ethereum Max for offering an unregistered security?
We reached a settlement with a celebrity, Ms. Kardashian.
Yeah, but not. She just promoted it. She doesn't operate Ethereum Max. Have you said that Ethereum Max is an unregistered security to the people that offer it?
We did in that settlement, yes, sir.
Okay, it's still trading. What about Ethereum? Is Ethereum now a security?
We had this.
I heard your exchange. They've been in place since 2015. You say in your statements that there's clarity in the market and the rules are clear. Just come on in. You can't even answer the question. Do you say XRP is a security?
We're in court and active discussions and litigation on that.
You're in litigation because you do say it's a security. As you know, let's move on a little bit. As you know, qualified custodian banks would effectively be unable to provide crypto asset related custody as a result of punitive capital impact under accounting provisions in Staff Accounting Bulletin 121. You agree that the bulletin should be amended?
I think that the staff addressed an accounting issue and appropriately saw that crypto assets held in custody today are not segregated or not bankruptcy remote in bankruptcy and should be appropriately put on public company financials.
I wish I had time to go into the ESG rule and everything else, but Chairman Gensler, your record of failures to protect investors and abuses of power make it clear that we need to restructure the Securities and Exchange Commission. The failures are many, but let me cite some of the abuses. You average more than 2 rules proposals a month. You provide inappropriately short comment periods. You have unworkable and unlawful ESG disclosure mandates on the market. You have essentially a Hotel California rule for crypto where you can check in anytime you like, but you can never leave. You have endless discovery with no resolution and no clarity for the captives in the market. You have unworkable proposals for overhauling equity market structure, a de facto ban on crypto through proposed custody rule. You have high staff turnover, unhappy people leaving your office, and unhappy companies and capital leaving our country. To correct a long series of abuses, I'm introducing legislation that removes the chairman of the Securities and Exchange Commission and replaces the role with an executive director that reports to the board where all authority would reside. Former chairs of the SEC will be ineligible under my proposed bill. And this isn't just my take. It resonates across the political spectrum. The American people want democratic access to capital, retail investor participation. You can't just exclude retail investors from markets and claim it's for their own good. Our markets need to function and flourish, and I yield back.
Oh, man. I love watching Gary take haymaker after haymaker like that. Oh, my God. Hangman, any Swift coin video coming out? Hangman, I literally released a Swift coin video 15 minutes ago. So, yes. Big Kev, the other chairs were not with him on a lot of things. Yes, He's still the chairman. What are we doing? Yeah, he's on his way out, in my opinion, man. Metal Detector, what's up, man? XCN to the moon. How much do we think it's going to? Gonna have to watch one of my JASMY price prediction videos for that. Actually, I should probably update my JASMY price prediction. I'll come up with a video in the next couple days on it. All right. It's not letting me move the comments. Okay, well, anyway, let's continue on, shall we? Oh, there we go, finally. To the moon, good morning from New Zealand. Good morning, my friend. New Zealand is actually where I'm considering moving to, man. I now hit my goal, 20 million XCN. Nice, congratulations. Congratulations, man. GT, Rob, did you see XCN had another hack? It wasn't XCN that was hacked. It was VUSD. So, yeah. But I actually have Wes coming on the channel to discuss it on Monday. I might actually see if he can get on tomorrow or something instead, tomorrow or Sunday. But either way, yeah, we're going to talk about it. But no, to clarify, XCN was not hacked. Onyx Coin was not hacked. VUSD stablecoin was hacked. So just to be clear on that. All right, what else do we got? New spot Bitcoin ETFs bought over 300,000 Bitcoin this year, guys. Think about that for a second. That's how many Bitcoin have been taken off the market on these ETFs, guys. Just since January, it feels like just 2 months. It doesn't even feel like it's been, since January. It only feels like it's been like 2 months or 3 months, but it's been all the way since January 10th. And over 307,000 Bitcoin are now no longer available. They're gone forever. Like, they're scooped up, man. These ETF holders are going to hold them. They're not going to sell it back to us at cheap prices. Are you kidding me? Did Max get back to an XN? No, not yet. I haven't talked to Max in about a week or two. I talked to him maybe. Yeah, but we talked, but I never discussed that with him. I keep forgetting to bring it up. I will bring it up with him though. Cool Wellington is good. Boomer, what's up, brother? Good to see you, man. Studio Tech, good evening. Just missed 15 minutes of your live stream. 50 push-ups, brother. 50 push-ups. You know what it is. You got to get those gains. If you missed the education, you got to get those gains, right? So yeah, that's a lot of Bitcoin that's no longer going to be available, guys. Absolutely crazy. What else do we got going on out there? Oh, yes. We have to talk about this, guys. We have to discuss this. So Eleanor Tourette says, former SEC lawyer who recently left the agency tells me the SEC will probably appeal Judge Torres's July 2023 ruling concerning XRP's programmatic sales of Ripple, in the Ripple case, partly because, quote, everyone over at the SEC truly believes that the decision is wrong. That is not good law and should be appealed. Of course, everyone at the SEC feels that the decision was wrong because they lost, right? You don't say. You don't agree with an opinion that says that you're wrong? Weird, right? But, so here's the thing, guys. The SEC, in my opinion, is going to appeal the decision, and they're going to drag litigation through the rest of this bull run for XRP. That's what they're trying to do here, right? The SEC is known for wanting to cause maximum damage to crypto companies that are fighting back. And we've seen companies say that. In the Library case, the Library people came out and said that that the SEC told them straight up in a meeting, if you don't settle with us before we even sue you, then we're going to bankrupt you. That's what they do, right? So they're going to drag this out. They want XRP to suffer missing another bull run. That's what they want, right? So they're going to drag out litigation on this. They're going to appeal, and there's going to be more litigation all the way. And then this won't settle until the bull run is over. Now, do I think that means that XRP is not going to run? No, absolutely not. I think XRP is going to have a fantastic run this bull run. I don't think it matters at this point. I don't think people really care. The only thing that this is going to stop is institutional investment in XRP until the lawsuit is over, right? Institutions, as long as there's ongoing litigation, won't touch the project, but once it's done, so they're basically just going to delay XRP being able to have the chains off for a full bull run, right? So that's what's happening in my opinion. We will see an appeal of the decision. You watch. Shizzle, hey, you hear about the revoke thing on Altcoin? Yes, I did. I'm gonna have Wes on the channel in a live stream there in the next couple days. We're gonna talk about it. Done my 50 push-ups. Already have my 9-pack. Nice. Do you see XEN moves, Rob? I can go look at XEN's chart, see what's going on right now. I haven't looked at the chart this morning. I was looking at a Swift Coin's chart earlier. I was doing some Swift Coin charting this morning. Let me have a look over at XCN. Yeah, it's funny because some people are trying to FUD XCN right now and calling it, saying like XCN was hacked and saying, like all kinds of negative stuff. But if you look, truthfully, XCN was not hacked. VUSD stablecoin was hacked, first of all, right? And second of all, the inverse head and shoulders. Look at this breakout. Look at this breakout. We have broken out. We're at the neckline right now of this inverse head and shoulders, guys. This breaks to the upside very, very soon. Could be today, could be tomorrow, next couple days, possibly, right? We're going to see this run, right? Now I'm going to show you something here. Look at this, okay? Inverse head and shoulders. We're just at the neckline getting ready to break, okay? Now I want to show you something else, okay? Check this out. What do we have over on, no, boom, inverse head and shoulders, neckline, boom, we're breaking out right now on JASMY. Exact same pattern is playing out on XEN. We're just a few days behind it on than the JASMY chart, right? So yeah, XEN is about to go into orbit, no different than what JASMY's doing right now, in my opinion. So Diamond Balls, I'm doing good, brother. You have time to cover some coins today? I do. I can look at a couple coins. Crypto Jess, what's up, buddy? Sorry I'm late again. No problem, man. 50 push-ups. XEN's going to run crazy, Rob. Oh, 100%. 100% it is. Absolutely. XEN's going to run. JASMY's already started to run. Swift is going to run. KASPA is about to run. Guys, things are going to get fun. Liquidity's in the house. What's going on, man? Good to see you. All right, so what else do we have? Yeah, if you have a couple of altcoins you want me to look at, throw them in the chat right now, because I'll look at those. And then, like I said before, guys, I'm doing a group video call coaching session over on the Patreon as soon as I'm done this live stream. So if you want to get into the Patreon, guys, and participate in that video group call. You don't want to miss it. What else do we have? Ash's Crypto says, check it out, guys. Look at this. Look at the accumulation, guys. A whale has bought 3,501 BTC worth $228 million on Binance in the past week. Big guys are loading up heavily. If you are not accumulating at the same time, guys, I don't know what you're doing, right? VSG. Let's see, VSG. Let's see if I can find VSG over on my KuCoin charts. I got nothing over here. Hang on. No, can't look at that one, brother. Sorry, man. It's not on my charts. What else you got? I can look at it over on CoinMarketCap for you. Let me have a look. VSG, you said? Vector Smart Gas? Why is it giving me... There we go. They recently migrated from an older contract to a new one. 100% of the supplies in circulation. $16 million market cap. Nice and low. 201. All-time high was 207. That was 6 months ago. So this, I'm assuming this launched in this bear market. What do they do? What's their tags? Let's go to their website. Trading now available. Official hyper deflationary native token. It's a layer 1. It's a layer 1 on Ethereum. Okay. Well, I mean, listen, I am a big fan of layer 1s, as you guys know, right? I am a fan of layer 1s. What I would say is that, I mean, it's got a very, very low market cap. My question is, what makes this layer 1 stand out from any other layer 1 that I would want to invest in it? That would be my question, right? I like getting in early on layer 1s. I'm in on a project called Mainnets, which is a layer 1. So it's interesting. I'll be honest with you. This is the kind of project I probably would take a flyer on, to be honest with you. I don't hold any. I don't plan on buying any, but it is one that I would probably put a little bit of money into. I wouldn't go crazy, but it's got a reasonably low market cap, and it's got good utility. I get the hiccups. So yeah, I would probably pick up something like this. VBCN or ZBCN. Zebic. Oh yeah, I've looked at this before. $99 million market cap, no max supply. It's on Solana. Okay, what is this? A smart contract platform? What do they do? No tags here either. They're on KuCoin and Crypto.com. What do they do? Decentralized infrastructure network for seamless flows of real-world values, changing the ways of money. RWA payments. Okay. Yeah, it's got. I mean, it's got the utility. It's got the narrative. Market cap is reasonable, right? Reasonable market cap. Seems okay. I don't know what the max supply is though. Week looking stronger. Weekly close looks like will be a good. Yeah, if we close Bitcoin above 64.5, and right now we're at like 65. What are we at? 65.5 or something right now. 65.9. We're almost back up over 66 again. So yeah, it's going to be a good daily close. Yeah, I saw it on CoinMarketCap. Don't want to get my hopes up, but maybe finally up. Yeah, no kidding, eh? Dotto, what's up, man? Preach rich, sup, Rob? We're not broke. We're pre-rich, brother. Zebic on Solana. Yeah, I just checked that one out. Just hold 1 million VSG and their NFT passive income. Nice. It's crazy how excited I am for the next 6 to 8 months, and nobody in my life except my wife has any clue what's about to happen. It's crazy. Talk to anyone about crypto. It's like, yes, I agree. Same thing, man. Same thing for me. There's a couple of my close friends, like, and I say a couple, I mean like one or two, that know what's about to happen, financially for me. And, everyone else is like, and that's what's going to happen is people are just going to call you lucky. That's what they do, right? When you do something outstanding and phenomenal, life-changing, like creating life-changing wealth for yourself by your hard work, dedication, and commitment, people will call you lucky because they don't see all the hard work and time you put into it while they're out partying, while they're out doing whatever it is that they're doing, right? You're staying committed to your plan, and then they call you lucky. Oh, this just happened out of nowhere. No, it didn't. This was us grinding for 3-year bear market. That's what this was. This wasn't suddenly. Just having some tea. Can you look at OG Brett? 0 to 240 on ETH. I'm making bank on this coin. Only person talking about is Zach Ventura. Yeah, okay. What's it called? Brett? OG Brett? Is this what you're talking about? Brett's dog? Am I in the right place? Let me know, Diamond Balls. Oh, I guess it would help if you could see what I'm looking at, eh? Brett's dog, is that it? David, what's up, brother? Good to see you, man. Kev, I've tried for months to get friends and coworkers into crypto. They say they want to get in, and then and that's the way it's going to be, right? Until they see that your life has financially changed for the better, and then all of a sudden, you know what's going to happen? And this is one of the most irritating things in real life, like in your personal life, about it, is that, you know what they'll say? They won't say, how do I learn about crypto? Here's what they'll say to you. Man, let me give you money and you can invest it for me and then pull the money out and give it to me. That's what they'll want you to do their investing for them, right? That's what they'll say. You watch, you'll come back to me and you'll laugh and you'll say, Rob, you're right. It's exactly what they said, because you know how many people say that to me in my life? They say, hey, how about I just give you money? I say, no. How about you go create an account on an exchange and start learning how to do this for yourself? No. I just want to give you money. Yeah, of course you do. Of course you do. You want to give me money. You want me to do all the hard work for you. You want me to take your 10 grand and turn it into $1 million for you and then hand you $1 million. Okay, what world do you live in? Right? Danny, I have the exact same feeling. Yeah, exactly. I personally still believe Swift will outperform many. Oh, absolutely. Absolutely, man. Like I said, hey, man, go check out the Swift video after the live stream. Go check out the Swift video that I just made. I will likely be called quickly to become a millionaire this bull run. Stefan, what's up, buddy? Long time no see, man. It's not that I don't be happy for things are going on, losing my freedom to collect protection. Hey, Rob, brother, how? I'm good, man. I'm good. I hope you don't lose your freedom, brother. He means Brett on ETH. Brett. This one? Oh, that's on base. Okay, hang on. Okay, here we go. This one. This is the one you're talking about, I assume. So it's up 300% on the week. Yeah, this is the one. Wow. That's quite a run this week. Holy smokes, eh? Fantastic. If you were in early on this, man, congratulations for you, man. I'm happy for you. Fantastic move. Fantastic. Though what I would say, because it's a meme coin, and you might not want to hear this, but because it's a meme coin, if you were in and you're up over 380%, take some profits, man, obviously, right? I mean, pay yourself. Don't be that one that, like, I'm going to hold it and be part of this meme community for 10 years and it's going to be bigger than Bitcoin. Don't be one of those people. No meme coin's going to be bigger than Bitcoin. Come on, right? I gave up on telling people. No kidding, eh? How How much are we going through this bull run? End of 2024 and after. You're going to have to be a little more specific. Many investors don't understand about total circulating supply. Can you explain about Swift supply and compare it to other projects? Can I explain about Swift supply and compare it to other projects? What projects do you want me to compare it to? Yeah, it does. I don't have a max supply on here either. Let me check over on CoinGecko. I mean, we'll just go by the total supplies, the max. I mean, look at almost all the supplies in circulation already anyway, right? I mean, for the most part, it's like 90, that's like 89% or something. So 89.5%. So yeah, I don't really know what you want me to explain to them, brother. For that kind of stuff, in terms of education, I do that kind of stuff over on the Patreon. So I can't be, you know, doing it over here as well. It's up 300% this week. Blue character, yes. Friend asked that recently. I'm not doing all the work. Yeah. Yeah, I told you. Yes, exactly. Someone asked you to do the work for them, right? That's what they do. And no. I got a good friend, you know, like that's what they say. Hey, man, how about I just give you money? You can invest it for me. Why would I do that? Because all the risk is on me then, right? If I invest for you as a friend, right? What's going to happen? What if the money I put your project, the project I put your money into goes to zero? Then you freak out on me and tell me I owe you money, right? No. No thanks. Do your research, figure it out, right? This isn't what world some people live in, man. Come on, just make me rich. Come on, you're my friend. Make me rich. Come on, right? Be a bro. I'll teach you how to do the work yourself. I meant I would like to be called lucky and become a millionaire. Oh, yeah, hey. And that's the thing, right? You just don't take it personally when they call you lucky. Just laugh it off, right? Have you talked about BTT new or looked into? BTT new. What's the new BTT? Is that BitTorrent, isn't it? They migrated to a new contract. Is that what you're talking about? 1-to-1 ratio. I haven't looked into it. Same here. Some of my family just smile and say, "Good for you." They don't understand. I'm putting yeah, exactly. Good for you, man. Good for you. I have a rule with friends and family. I'm only going to tell you once. What you do is your business. I tell them, told you at the end. Yeah, yes, exactly. Welcome to my mansion. Told you so. My wife can't believe the patience I have and cold emotions. That's a good thing, though. That's a good thing, right? Her opinion mattered. Exactly. And hey, like I said before to you, man, you know, when the results pour in, you know, in the next, let's say 6 to 8 months, and you know you've got life-changing wealth, that opinion is going to change to a very, very high level of respect, right? It's my birthday today. Happy birthday, Stefan. Happy birthday, my friend. They'll all blame me. Yes, exactly. Thanks, Rob. Took some near the peak. Nice. Good man. Good man. BTT, great project. Yep. BitTorrent's a good project. Yep. Sam, what's up, man? Let's go Swift. I want to see it break 2039 take off. Yeah, I did a TA video on Swift this morning. Definitely go. I released it about an hour ago now, so definitely go check that out. Definitely check that out. Venom's in the house. What's up, fam? Financial freedom is right around the corner. Patience definitely pays off. Yes, 100% agree. All right, so we got one article we want to get through here, guys, and then we're going to jump over to the Patreon group coaching session. So Bitcoin crosses 66K and altcoins explode upwards. While the global economy teeters between geopolitical uncertainties and monetary adjustments, the asset continues to capture investor attention. Bitcoin is just a few hours, in just a few hours, the queen of cryptocurrencies once again crossed the symbolic 66K mark, a performance that not only showcases impressive resilience, but also a renewed optimism in the market, searching for direction. Behind BTC, altcoins are also experiencing a resurgence, with double-digit gains illustrating a general uptick in investor risk appetite. Is this merely a rebound effect, or are we witnessing the early stages of a new, sustainable, bullish phase for the crypto market? Bitcoin has once again crossed the symbolic 66K level. It hadn't touched in nearly 2 months. This unexpected rise comes from the long period of stagnation where Bitcoin oscillated around the 53K level to 57K level, regularly testing resistance without ever breaking through them sustainably. This crossing above 66K therefore marks a turning point, particularly in a market where the investors scrutinize every move of the first crypto to anticipate future trends. The major resistance at 68,300, however, remains in sight, and any breakthrough of this level could pave the way for new upward phase, as year-end is traditionally seen as favorable period for digital assets. This rebound reflects renewed optimism in the crypto ecosystem, fueled in part by macroeconomic factors. The prospect of a rate cut by the US Fed and reduced recession fears have played a key role in this dynamic. These elements, combined with the cyclical nature of the crypto market, which tends to show signs of recovery at the end of the year, enhance the idea of a bullish phase. While Bitcoin leads the charge, the upward movement quickly extends to altcoins, signaling a marked resurgence in interest for the alternative cryptos. Assets like Shiba Inu or Doge are recording impressive gains, with respective increases of 25% and 18%, confirming investor enthusiasm for more speculative projects. This altcoin rebound follows several months of poor performance during these assets lost a significant portion of their value. Today, they benefit from a more favorable market driven by renewed confidence in reduced volatility. This dynamic could mark the beginning of a new period of high activity in these cryptocurrencies, especially if Bitcoin manages to maintain its current levels. The rise of altcoins is also explained by increased diversification of investor portfolios who are now seeking to maximize their returns by exploring higher growth potential assets. Though riskier, these altcoins are enjoying renewed popularity, particularly among retail investors. The overall crypto market, whose capitalization rose from $2.22 to $2.31, 2.22 trillion, they didn't put trillion in there, 2.22 trillion to 2.31 trillion this week, shows that interest in the sector remains strong. However, some analysts warn that this euphoria could be short-lived if Bitcoin fails to decisively break through the upcoming technical resistance. I think that if we can close Bitcoin's month above 66K, that's going to be crazy. Hang on a second here, guys. I'm going to show you something too. That's going to be crazy for Bitcoin as well. So, it kind of feels like we're in like the, I'm looking at the Wall Street cheat sheet here, right? And I mean, it kind of felt like we're just entering this disbelief hope phase is where I feel like we are right now. Yeah, right here where my thing is, right? That's what he said. At the very least, hope area, maybe moving towards optimism. That's where I think we are, guys, in this, right? So things are about to get absolutely very, very interesting in a very big way. Jovan, what's up, man? Hey, Rob, first time seeing my portfolio this high. Nice. That's good, man. I love hearing that, brother. I love hearing it. Sledgehammer, what's going on with VUSD? I've been away for a couple of weeks, so maybe We've already discussed this. Yeah, there was some sort of a hack on VUSD. I have Wes coming on the channel probably this weekend, and we're going to discuss it in great detail. So make sure you guys are around for that. David, I agree, 100%, brother, 100%. So yeah, guys, that's the news as it stands right now. So what we're going to do here is, oh, hang on, the chat's going again. What we're going to do here is, I'm going to jump over to the Patreon. I'm going to be doing a live group coaching session over there. If you want to participate, guys, get into the Patreon. The link is in the description. It's also pinned comments. Get over there. We record them. We do group video coaching sessions. We record them and then we post them on the Patreon so you can rewatch them if you miss them, so that you don't miss any of the updates and lessons that we talk about. We also do one-on-one video call coaching sessions as well. So get involved, guys. Get over there. Invest in your education into crypto, because that's the only way you're going to succeed long-term in this market and make life-changing wealth, is to make sure you're educating yourself, right? So get on over there, guys. I'm jumping over to the Patreon right now to do the group call. So get over there. I'll see you guys in 10 minutes. See you guys later.